Nobody wants a small glass of wine or a small slice of pizza. Size means business. Size means flagship. And more often than not, it means luxury. The same can be said for the world of cars. With that said, we at MG Motor India present to you India's first autonomous Level 1 premium SUV, the MG Gloster. A full-size luxury SUV with best-in-class features, a towering road presence, powerful capability, and luxurious interiors. Get ready now to experience the next-generation modern marvel up close. Hello, my name is Ritika, and today I'm going to show you the MG Gloster. Together we are going to take a walkthrough of this incredible full-size luxury SUV and take a look at some of the incredible features that make the Gloster a truly selfless car. The name Gloster pays homage to MG's British genes and stands for being robust, sturdy, reliable, and versatile. Gloster was a British jet engine aircraft prototype and an example of great British engineering, just like the car. From whichever way you look at it, the MG Gloster commands respect. You'll be glad to know that at 1926 mm wide and 1867 mm tall, the Gloster is the widest and tallest car in its class. The impressive front grille finished entirely in chrome is the Gloster's crown jewel. Notice how the imposing MG logo proudly sits in the middle of this grille, which is flanked by a set of sophisticated, adaptive LED headlights that can sense the darkness and vary their intensity. Not just the headlamps, the fog lamps are LED too, and even come with a cornering function that lights up the darkest of corners. Have you noticed how even the bash plate is finished in chrome? It is a reminder that even though it is big and imposing, this is still a luxury upmarket SUV. With a front end that looks like that looming in their rear view mirrors, everybody on the road will make way for your MG Gloster, don't you think? Walking over to the side of the new MG Gloster, let your eyes get accustomed to the size first. Stretching to 4,985 mm long, this full-size SUV is the longest vehicle in its class. Such imposing size needs to stay well grounded. So the MG Gloster comes with a set of beautifully detailed 19-inch multi-spoke diamond-cut alloy wheels. Speaking of details, let me bring your attention to how the chrome window sill and chrome roof rails interact to give a distinctly upmarket flourish to the Gloster's side profile. The Brit Dynamic logo on the front doors is a further reminder of the Gloster's British pedigree. Come, let's take a look at the rear end. I'm sure the first thing you'll notice at the rear is the twin chrome exhaust. This kind of a feature is usually found in high-end performance cars. Intimidated by the massive tailgate? Don't worry, just swipe your foot under the rear diffuser and up she goes automatically. This feature should come in handy in your shopping trips, making it effortlessly enjoyable for you to access the boot. Although in times like these, we urge you to maintain social distancing as much as possible. Now that you've seen the exteriors of this magnificent SUV, it is time to step inside and check out the interiors. Notice the projection of MG logo on the ground as you open doors, and the chrome side steps that make ingress into this full-size SUV easier than a walk in the park. That's arguably a better welcome than a 5-star hotel, wouldn't you agree? Get ready to be mesmerized by the paradise that is the MG Gloster from the inside. Unmatched premium luxury and best-in-class interior space might spoil you forever. The moment you step inside your MG Gloster, you find yourself surrounded in an ecosystem of plush brown diamond stitch pattern theme all over the cabin. Go ahead, feel the premium leather layering and soft touch materials on the expansive dashboard and door panels, because you deserve nothing but the best. May I now request you to take a moment and soak in the incredible amount of space that Gloucester has to offer. We'll talk about why the MG Gloucester has so much space later when we sit in the second and third rows, but let me tell you more about the boss's seat. Now, how does it feel to be in the boss's chair? The Gloucester's commanding driving position gives a wide-angle visibility of the road. This multi-function steering wheel is both tilt and telescopic adjustable, and I can see that you already can't let go of it. That's probably because it is fully leather-wrapped and has a sporty flat-bottomed shape. All the major controls of the Gloucester are at your fingertips through this steering wheel, including infotainment and driving modes. Go on, feel the dynamic gear shift paddles behind the wheel. They'll come in handy when you take matters in your own hands. I can see that the 8-inch multi-information display instrument cluster has caught your fancy too. You can see all the important vehicle information there at a cursory glance, including the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. It goes without saying that the MG Gloucester comes with the all-smart convenient features expected from a car of this segment, and that includes auto headlamps and rain-sensing wipers. Come, like all the other seats in the MG Gloucester, the driver's seat is also fully leather-trimmed. But it is also the segment-best 12-way power adjustable, including 4-way lumbar adjustable. And then comes the first of the features that I've been wanting to show you for so long. Did you know that your MG Gloucester comes with 2 sets of seat memory function? So that when you send your chauffeur home for the day to enjoy the most powerful engine in its segment, your seat will automatically go to your preferred seating position. Don't worry, the outer rear view mirrors do just the same and adjust automatically. And we're not done with the boss's seat yet. You also get seat heating, ventilation, and a back massage function because your busy calendar doesn't allow a visit to the spa. Good music, though, is something that you simply cannot do without. The MG Gloucester gives you a complete home theater experience with its premium 12-speaker sound system with subwoofer and amplifier. But the Gloucester's selfless nature is often extended to your loved ones as well. So after a hard day's work, the 3-zone climate control will give each of your loved ones or colleagues a different welcome, while the PM 2.5 air filter ensures that the air they breathe inside is always safe. And take note, the seat you're sitting on is also 8-way power adjustable. At MG Motor, we believe in connected cars. A car that could hear you, talk to you, and even let you access it remotely. All made possible by MG Motor's revolutionary iSmart technology with the all-new MG Gloucester. We have made some important updates. Introducing iSmart 2.0, an updated connected car technology that is ready for the future with 70+ connected features. Enjoy the built-in Map My India online navigation with live traffic on the Gloucester's large 12.3-inch HD touchscreen infotainment screen. Or read the news on the Shotpedia News app so that just like the car, you stay updated as well. iSmart 2.0 also comes with all magical artificial intelligence-based voice recognition systems, which adapt to your accent and your commands. Just say, "Hello MG," pause for the Gloucester's reaction, and then you please say, "Open sunroof." Now sit back and relax as the Gloucester's panoramic sunroof slides open without having to touch a button. How cool is that? Imagine the expression of your family and friends when they find out that you can talk to your car. Yes, you can now close the sunroof again by saying, "Hello MG." Wait a moment for the Gloucester to respond. And now say, "Close sunroof." There are 100+ commands the system responds to. Let's try one more. Just say, "Hello MG." Pause for the reaction and say, "Play Ghana." You can simply search your favorite song in the built-in Gaana app using your voice. Just say, "Play next." On a hot day, the Gloster anticipates that you need to stay cool. So not only can you switch on the climate control remotely, you can also cool your seats remotely. On the move, iSmart 2.0 technology keeps track of your Gloster's every move. For example, if it senses that your battery is low or your tire pressure is critical, it will immediately sound a voice alert. By the way, I couldn't help but notice the sleek new iWatch 5 on your wrist. So let me tell you that your iWatch can now sync with the MG Gloster's new iSmart 2.0 system. Watch! You can now read mails and check messages without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. Chit Chat feature is another new addition to the artificial intelligence-based voice recognition system from MG. Today, we are experiencing new age technologies everywhere, so why not in your car? Chit Chat enables better interactivity and engagement with your MG car. Just say, "Hello MG," pause for the Gloster's reaction, and ask, "How do I look today?" I'm sure the response must have made you realize that your MG car has a sense of humor. This is the epitome of human-machine interaction. Heading out for a late-night drive? Allow the MG Gloster to get you in the mood with its 64-color customizable interior ambient lighting, as it watches your every step with its illuminated front and rear metallic scuff plates. Come, take a seat behind the wheel. Get a hint of how it must feel to commandeer a flagship. Did you know that the wheelbase of the Gloster is 2,950 mm long? Which makes sitting here in the second row feel like sitting in your living room. The Gloster offers a choice of 2 captain seats or a bench seat for the second row, depending on your needs. Today, we have the version with these individual captain seats that pamper you like a boss. If you want to catch a power nap, then these full leather trimmed seats can both slide and recline. As you can see, even with the front seat slid all the way back, you can have as much knee room and leg room as you want. In fact, the Gloster comes with a segment-leading knee room, and when it comes to headroom, let me tell you that the Gloster is the tallest car in its class. So what you're enjoying right now is class-leading headroom. Your little ones and their iPads will always be busy. And there are 3 USB charging ports and 4 12-volt ports all over the cabin, along with 1 wireless charging slot. Another benefit of having such a spacious cabin is that there are a lot of storage spaces and cubby holes for your day-to-day items. For example, the electronic gear shift with auto park feature has made space for a huge storage bin behind the front console armrest. There are 6 cup holders and 4 bottle holders, so that everyone inside can enjoy a cup of coffee. Come, let us go check out the third row. Now, most SUVs, even the full-size ones, struggle to give a spacious third row. Not so in case of the MG Gloster. Its larger-than-life dimensions give it an accommodating third row of seats. Do note that you get your own AC vents back here, and the dual-pane panoramic electric sunroof opens all the way back, so that you do not miss out on all fun. Now, pretty much whatever I showed you would have made the MG Gloster a good full-size luxury SUV in any book. But MG Motor haven't stopped there. We have gone one step further and equipped the Gloster with advanced driver assistance systems, making it one of the safest cars on the road today. These systems are an array of cameras and sensors placed all around your MG Gloster that sense the car's every move. If it senses imminent danger, the car will automatically take preventive measures to protect you and your loved ones. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, is a set of 6 major safety functions unheard of in the Indian market before. Forward Collision Warning, FCW, Automatic Emergency Braking, AEB, Lane Departure Warning, LDW, Blind Spot Detection, BSD, Automatic Parking Assist, APA, Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. Most of these safety systems have the ability to see the future and act accordingly. Forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking will first warn you and then apply braking force when it detects an unavoidable and imminent collision. Drifting onto a different lane on the highway? Trust our lane departure warning to warn you. Someone else drifting towards you? Our blind spot detection gives you eyes on the back of your head. Then there's Adaptive Cruise Control, which automatically adjusts the Gloster's cruising speed with respect to the distance of the vehicle in front, thus always maintaining a safe distance. Did you know that the MG Gloster can even park itself? Automatic Parking Assist steers the car into a parking space requiring only braking inputs from the driver. What will they think of next? Well, that was a brief overview of ADAS, offering some first-in-class safety features. We'll take a look at all of them more closely and even watch some of them in action when we go for a full test drive of the MG Gloster. And oh, I forgot to mention, ADAS works with a lot of other active and passive safety features in the Gloster, including 6 airbags, electronic stability program, hill start assist, hill descent control, and rear disc brakes. Remember how I had mentioned before that the MG Gloster is the most powerful car in its class? Well, now it is time for you to see for yourself. What are you looking at is the Gloster's heart, a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that is good enough for 218 PS of power and 480 Nm of torque, more than what the segment has to offer, a cut above the rest, so that you can make some boss moves on the road. More like a suave boss because the engine comes mated to an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with 3 drive modes: Sport, Normal, Eco. But what's a SUV that doesn't like getting its feet dirty once in a while? You'd be glad to know that your Gloster comes with an intelligent 4-wheel drive all-terrain system that has 7 off-road modes like mud, snow, sand, etc. But it has one final trick up its sleeve when the going gets really tough. The Gloster comes with something called an electromechanical differential lock. It is a fully computerized system that monitors wheel slippage all the time and closes or opens the clutch accordingly, thus applying power to the wheel with the most slippage. What that means is, come mud, rain, snow or slush, your MG Gloster will ensure that you never get stuck. Introducing MG My Shield for Gloster, a personalized, flexible and industry-first ownership assurance program that is built and centered around you to choose from over 200 possible combinations as per your needs.